My grandmother, if you're ever sick, you get herb tea.
What part of Jamaica are you from?
Matilda's corner, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road,
What parish is that
St.
in?
Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Trelawney.
Port Antonio. Depends on where both St. Thomas and Kingston.
Kingston.
Same Kingston.
Port Morant, St. Thomas.
Marambia. Where the revolution happened, right? Paul Bogle. I remember, so, we're bad,
Kingston.
I'm from Mubi.
I'm from Todd's Road, Trinidad.
Hi fam, it's Migash. Welcome back to Migash Reactions. Today's video is going to challenge a lot of assumptions because many people don't even know this group exists in Jamaica. You're about to see Chinese Jamaicans who speak fluent Patois, live the culture and identity fully as Jamaican. Big credit to the original creator of this video. Watch till the end for my full breakdown and subscribe as you are watching for more real educational reactions. Let's get into it.
What go on now?
Not a thing, boy.
You know them think you're AI.
True.
You know what AI is?
The artificial as what?
Artificial intelligence. What you said the AI be?
Artificial idiot.
But tell them say you're born in Jamaica.
Me born in Jamaica,
Yeah.
lady of the soil in Hampshire.
Yeah?
One little place in the country near Hampshire, me born.
You know,
Conkers. A 77 year, me dey on hurt here right now.
That is it.
Right. So me not gonna women, me a Jamaican. Son of the soil, daughter of the soil.
You what?
Jamaican, daughter of the soil.
And remember, you can't forget God,
Forget God, oh me forget God. Jesus is Lord of all.
That is it.
You hear me? So hold on by that.
That is it. Me helping me and you can do video together. Don't it?
Of course.
From where you come from,
Of course it is.
That is it, man.
Long time round.
Round and round and round.
Yes, sir.
Alright, big up yourself.
Big up yourself too.
Grow up Chinese, your skin have a tick, But if it grow up Chinese Jamaican, you can't let nobody tell you what your worth is. That means that nobody can tell me what me worth. But you see, when me go take up myself, go watch Kids Baking Championship and Master Chef Junior, Lord God, one piece of headache. Because what do you mean? What do you mean you're 8 to 11 years old and you know all of this technicality of cooking? You know the words, you know the actual technique, you know to cook, you know how when food is ready without even like tasting it and testing it. Like, yo, if you have a kid like that, big up yourself, because you must be doing something right. But if a kid is naturally talented, like, make sure you do anything and everything you can to feed into that talent. There's something so amazing about kids who are so young and so passionate and already know what they want. Which is so funny when they come on the interviews and they're like, I've been cooking all my life since I was 2. So like 7 years of your life? Like, what do you mean?
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Listen, in England, this is how a thing goes. The teacher come here, what will I tell you? Walk one, bro. Thing good? What you say?
Man, everything good, man. Respect.
What you say?
No, man, talk some more, man. No, man, don't go here. Talk some more, man.
What you say? What you want me to
Talk
talk?
some more. What your favorite artist?
My favorite artist. No, you want to say, but you know
Dancehall
about
artist.
Da Vinci, Chronix, Peter
Yeah.
Tosh. You know about Peter Tosh?
Yeah, man. What about popcorn?
Popcorn. Always popcorn. Thing
Give me
good.
a poppy song. Sing a poppy song.
Gangster City, man. Come on. You don't know about Gangster City?
Yeah, man. That's the best one, yeah?
Oh, man. I tell
Big
you.
up. Respect and manners.
Come on, man. Look come on.
Look come on.
Shiny man, talk again.
Big up.
I got the blood clean.
I am born.
Are you born?
Yeah, man, yes, I'm born, man.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accents locked, put on for yourself.
But they're around the right people, then.
Oh, okay. So you like, don't you?
I'm a place there,
You listen? I am born.
Mommy, what you doing? What you do?
Some fish, I cook fish in Chinese style.
No, so why you have newspaper on the ground?
No, I have to put that when the fish fry, the oil fly out of the pot and go find the tell us some fry the fish out. Because when the window open the brazier, blow the thing.
Yo, I can't bother with that one every day. Hey, watch out. Watch out. What is now? What is?
The Chinese black bean, Chinese bean curd, Chinese pickle ham choy, and that's scallion, ginger, and garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper.
Who the hell put newspaper on the ground for cook? What?
Uncle Roy, which part of Jamaica are you from? They want to know.
I'm from Maypen, Clarendon.
From Racecourse.
And then we go to Kisson.
Racecourse, and then there's Ali.
Yeah.
Ali, Racecourse, Milk River.
Dark
in Spain, and then there's Banks. And then the Rocky Point is off.
Down the point.
Yeah, down the point.
Down there. We used to go and catch crab. Oh my lord.
Stop that. J Flacco me I give the people what they want. And not my fault. Tasha, big up. What you know about. So how you gonna learn that? Alright, repeat after me. Do you want to learn Hakka? Ni, Seong, Ho, Hakka, Wamao. Ni, Seong, Mania Kosi. So everybody that on the live there, I give me a gift. I coulda cost anybody? Okay. Grow up with the most Chinese at Constant Spring. I never reached Constant Spring, so my parents' money them never did tall, so we did up on flat land, plains. We did up on the plains. No Constant Spring. Okay. Bombat. I'm all on there. Alright. We're going to learn ni, you, ni.
How much would it be? Sarcasm is $2.49.
So you're talking about Chinese, you're Jamaican?
He's a yard man.
A yard man?
Yes, yard man.
Born
and brought Jamaica.
Where Jamaica from?
Well, born in Kingston, grew up in Manchester.
Really?
Yeah. We come from Galdeville.
Galdeville?
Yes.
Alright. Clarendon, where come from still?
Alright, sir. What part of Clarendon?
Frankfield.
Frankfield, yeah man. Used to go to with the Wolf Boys and used to go to school with them. Come from Frankfield.
Yeah, we go to high school.
Yeah. I was at the country.
Okay.
DC.
DC?
Yes.
It's one of the best schools.
Right. Good man.
Alright, I love people for you.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
What a lucky thing say with the America look green card. Mommy, what would have happened if they send me back to China? We're not dead.
That's all my father them when they wake up themselves. Yeah. Joe sing good morning.
How yeah?
And they say Shak Chow is breakfast.
Breakfast.
Me not know no more Chinese language, period. Anybody want to say me know it? Yes, me know it, but me not talking it. I know what I know. When she got China, she know not much either.
Talk to him again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, bye.
Chinese Jamaican pops with his story.
Yeah. I'm glad to take it off, because when me not go race, my car that blow off the color,
Hey, what a wicked man, Hey, how you stay so? You say?
Yeah. So you're lucky. Me no mind you take off the color, because, me not save you all that money, because
come off anyway.
me not blow it off with my car.
Hey, sir, you used to have sound system back in it.
When I my set, yeah. Me make Rasta man dance soca,
Back in the day.
Yeah.
First Macintosh I had.
Yeah, man. Rasta man.
Dilly.
You gotta make Rasta man dance soca when me have to keep down. So me are not ordinary man.
Here's my Jamaican Chinese grandma. We're saying words in Canadian English accent and then in Patois. The first one, mother.
Mama,
What's going on?
where go on?
Yeah, what go on? Quarter, like a quarter.
Oh, quarter.
Yeah. Little.
Little.
No, you don't say it like that.
Little.
You don't say it like that. You say it with a K.
That me?
Yeah, you always say little.
Little.
Okay. Battery.
Battery.
Water.
Water. Me now go down there.
Me not go down there.
Me now, but you say fast. Me now go down there.
Think.
Think. I was tutored by a British lady.
You do sound British sometimes.
Yes, yeah.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Brother.
Brother. But I know they would say brother.
Dirty.
Dirty. I've lived here longer than I've lived in Jamaica.
All right, you passed the test, Miss Jamaica.
This was a staple. Jamaican Chinese surnames. Siang Lu. My auntie speaks fluent Haga. So when I don't know how to say things, I gotta call my aunties, like Auntie Shirley. I always call Auntie Christine. We learn together, y'all.
Did you know the Chinese community in Jamaica started with railroad workers fleeing yellow fever? Here's their story. In the mid-19th century, many Chinese laborers sought better lives in Panama and California. By 1854, groups of Chinese immigrants arrived in Jamaica, initially to work on railroads. Facing diseases like yellow fever, many settled in Jamaica, laying the foundation for a vibrant Chinese community. In the 1860s and 1880s, more Chinese immigrants arrived, driven by opportunities in farming and trade. Despite facing racial slurs and harsh conditions, they thrived. They established grocery stores, introduced items like rice and saltfish into Jamaican cuisine, and formed close-knit communities. By the 20th century, the Chinese had become integral to Jamaica's economic and social fabric. They overcame restrictive immigration laws and significant challenges to make lasting contributions to Jamaican culture. Chinese Jamaicans have made notable contributions in various fields, from business to politics. They have established prominent grocery stores, restaurants, and even banks, influencing the island's economy and culture.
All right, fam. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you're still here, I really appreciate you, because this is one of those topics that requires listening, patience, and open-mindedness. This video wasn't just interesting, it was necessary. Jamaica's national motto, out of many, one people, is not just something written on paper. It's lived out every single day on the island, and Chinese Jamaicans are a perfect example of that. Jamaica has never been one race, one look, or one background. It has always been a shared space of many histories coming together. Chinese Jamaicans exist. One thing the creator mentions early on is that many people don't even know Chinese Jamaicans exist. And honestly, that's very true. People often have a very narrow image of what a Jamaican should look like. But Jamaica has never fit into one box. Jamaicans speak fluent Jamaican Patois. Surprise people, but it really shouldn't. Language comes from environment, not race. If you grow up in Jamaica, go to Jamaican schools, interact with Jamaican communities, and live the culture, you're going to speak the language naturally. The video makes something very clear. Chinese Jamaicans are Jamaican citizens of Chinese descent. They are not visitors. They are not new. Many families have been on the island over a century. Chinese presence in Jamaica dates back to the 1800th century after the end of slavery. Chinese laborers were brought to the island, and many stayed, built families, and made Jamaica their permanent home. Over generations, those families became deeply rooted in Jamaican society. Integration didn't happen overnight. It happened through daily life. Going to Jamaican schools, living in Jamaican neighborhoods, running shops in local communities, eating Jamaican food, speaking Patois at home. Over time, culture blended naturally. One major contribution highlighted in the video is business. Chinese Jamaicans played a huge role in shopkeeping, supermarkets, wholesale businesses. For many Jamaicans, growing up near a Chinese shop is a shared childhood experience. That's not foreign. That's Jamaican life. Food is one of the clearest examples of cultural blending. This Jamaican cuisine isn't pure Chinese. It's Jamaican Chinese fusion. Sweet and sour chicken with Jamaican seasoning. Fried rice adapted to local taste. Food tells stories, and this food tells a story of adaptation, survival, and belonging. The video also touches on something very important. Jamaica is a place where people mix Chinese, African, Indiana, European, families blend. Many Jamaicans today are the result of multiple ancestries, and that's normal. Community matters more than race. A painful but honest part of the conversation is how Chinese Jamaicans sometimes have their identity questioned. Being told, "You don't look like Jamaican. Where are you really from?" That questions assume Jamaican identity has a look, and it doesn't. The video does not ignore the struggles. Chinese immigrants face discriminations, isolation, and hardship. But instead of leaving, many stayed. They built community, they persevered. That resilience is deeply Jamaican. Jamaican identity is cultural, not racial. It's how you speak, how you live, how you relate to others, how you understand the island. Conversations like this matter because they break stereotypes, educate respectively, show Jamaica is not one story, it's many stories living together. This video doesn't erase history, it explains it. Chinese Jamaicans are not almost Jamaican, they're Jamaican. If you enjoyed this reaction, please like, subscribe to Migash Reactions, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what part surprised you the most and what video you want me to react to next. Respect always.